Today we're talking about in-car stereos for your classic car. Specifically in this case an XK150, but we fit systems to XK120s, XK140s, XK150s, E-types and all sorts of other Jags, or anything else if you like. So join me and we'll have a look at what we're doing in this car. So over the years we have fitted all sorts of radio systems to XKs. We've fitted hidden radios in glove boxes, we've fitted them hidden behind the central drawer in XK140s and that works quite nicely. We've fitted amplifiers hidden in the footwell that connect via Bluetooth to your phone. We've also fitted vintage radios that have been converted to work with FM, DAB and connect via Bluetooth to your phone. All of these were nice solutions and they all worked, but everyone had their drawbacks. The vintage radios were sort of difficult to use without a digital display and you had to double twist knobs to get through various menus and they were just tricky. Hidden systems with the Bluetooth receivers, again you had to control everything from your phone, so that wasn't ideal. The hidden radios in glove boxes or behind drawers were nice because you had the functionality and performance of a modern radio, but again it meant you had to open a flap to access them. That is until Blaupunkt released their new classic radio range. This video is not sponsored by Blaupunkt in any way, shape or form. It's just a product that I really like because it looks really nice in the car and it works really well. These radios obviously look like the traditional 2-dial units, but they have all the modern functionality backed up by a big quality company like Blaupunkt. Got a digital display which you can switch to look like the old tuner dial on a vintage radio. You've got the two knobs, you've got your presets on here. It all looks really nice, but it also is really user friendly and functional. These units work for FM, DAB, have USB connectors and Bluetooth. You've got hands-free calling with a subtle hidden microphone that we fit. We can fit these systems with either 2 or 4 speakers. Whatever you choose, we hide them away. So we hide a pair in the footwells if you want just 2 speakers. And we put a pair in the rear hidden behind the maquette on the rear shelf there if you're putting them in the rear. Keeping your car looking really nice and clean whilst giving you a good sound system. So in this car we've just fitted 2 speakers to the front and this unit. So let's power it up. You can switch it on without the ignition switched on and it will stay on for an hour, so it won't drain your battery if you forget about it, but you can listen to music whilst you're parked up. It's on FM at the moment. This building is like a Faraday cage, so we don't get any signal in here. So we will go across to Bluetooth and it should be connected to my phone already, and we can just pop on some music from there. This is copyright free, fortunately. Always a challenge, excuse whatever this music is. So it's really intuitive and easy to use. You've got your volume here, you've got the tuner there, you can save your presets across there. If someone calls, you can answer the phone using the controls on the unit and it will connect directly to the microphone. You can have a chat and then hang up. That's really all there is to it. We've got a USB cable that comes out the back which we take round to a unit that fits flush underneath the dashboard. So you can plug your phone in under there, but again, no one can see it when it's not in use. That's got 2 USBs, so you and your passenger can charge at the same time, and again, you can use that to stream music. When connected for Bluetooth, this also works for hands-free calling. So if someone calls you, it will ring in the car, and you can answer the call, use the hidden microphone, and have a little chat. And it's that easy to pick up the phone, have a chat, and then hang up. So now we will turn it off for a moment. I think these are a game changer for stereos in classic cars. They look lovely, they're easy to use, and the audio quality is great. There's nothing not to like about them. There's no compromise here. If you're interested in having one of these fitted to your car, whether it's an XK or something else, please do get in touch for a quote. They also do some slightly more modern looking versions for 70s and 80s cars. We can provide prices for those as well. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and follow. Goodbye.